Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
I'm fine. My name is Irfan. And what's your name?
My name is Bethany.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from America.
So I'm from India. Yeah,
Tell me this. What part of India?
I'm northern part of India.
Ah, where? India.
Yeah, at the top, at the top.
At the top. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Awesome. So, why are you on Cambly?
Just I want to meet new people here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
How long have you been on Cambly?
from yesterday.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you. But this
Awesome.
account is so old. Actually, it's been 3 months, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, to meet new people, and yeah, that's it, and want to make some friends.
Okay.
Yeah,
Awesome. So we can just have a talk.
yeah, of course.
Okay. Well, what is the weather like in India today?
In northern part of India right now, I'm staying there, and it's a bit cold actually.
Oh,
Yeah, it's raining every day almost. Yeah.
is it the monsoon season?
No, not yet, but it's still winter.
Ah, still winter. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many seasons does India have?
I guess four, I guess. Four.
Four? Oh, okay.
Yeah, Sam.
Okay.
So have you been here in India?
No, I have not.
Okay, you should visit here.
I would love to visit India, but I have only been to Mexico and Japan.
Oh, very nice and rich countries, right?
Sometimes in some places.
Oh, that's really nice.
Some places. Have you been to America?
No, not yet.
Ah, where do you want to go in America?
Washington, D.C.
Ooh, why Washington, D.C.?
Because I want to stay there. Uh, Maybe I'm sports person actually, so I want to play from there.
Do you want to
Yeah,
play or
maybe in future.
oh, what
Yeah,
game would you play?
I'm playing cricket. Have you heard about it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that one.
Excellent. Yeah.
Yes.
I heard the rules for cricket are a little difficult.
Yeah, it's too
Yeah.
difficult. Yeah.
But it's fun. You like it?
Yeah, I loved it.
Hey, play cricket.
So tell me
Cool.
about you. What are you doing?
Well, I am an English teacher for Chinese students in the morning.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, so that's very fun. And yeah, I'm just an English teacher now.
So you are staying with your parents?
My husband, he works outside and I work at home.
You married?
Yes,
How long?
14 and a half years.
14 and a half years.
Yes.
Wow, you are still young and beautiful lady.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes. It is because I became married at 20 years old.
Oh, so that's really nice.
Yeah. So,
So you have kids?
no, no kids.
Why? Why not?
Um, hmm. I like to teach children for a short time.
Okay.
I think if I live with them, Oh, too loud, maybe.
Oh, but kids are very good, you know.
I I know. I like other people's children. My friends' children, I love them. They're so cute. But
Oh,
then I give the children back. Go to
oh,
mommy.
for short period of time, right?
Short period, yes.
Oh,
What
that's
about
nice.
you? Are you married? Do you have kids?
What do you what do you think?
Let's see. A cricket player. Hmm. I think you're not married and cricket players. My image. You like to party.
I have 8 kids.
Eight kids?
Yeah.
Wow.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah.
I was so shocked.
I'm 18.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look so young. Yes,
Yeah, because I'm healthy. I'm fit.
that's good. That is good.
Maybe
Sports.
next time I'll talk to you and I'll wear a sando and then you can see my muscles as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
my sport is video games. So my muscles are right here.
Oh, really? What
Yeah,
type of
isn't it?
games you play?
I play very slow games like Final Fantasy.
I didn't heard about it.
Yeah,
PUBG and Free Fire. Have you played that?
I have not played it, but I see the videos.
Oh, that's nice. Actually,
Yes.
it's so boring and so addictive. So you should better not play that.
If I play a game with a gun,
Hmm.
then usually I look down the scope and I'm so close and then I
Oh,
die. Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
I'm
Actually,
not good
that's
at that.
not fun game. Actually, those are not funny games. So if you will be including that, then you won't be able to give time to your husband and
That's true.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
reality actually.
Yes. Do you play any other video games or
No, no,
only
no.
sports? Real sports.
Yeah, only sports. Actually, I stopped everything. Right now,
Oh,
only focusing on cricket.
that's good.
You know. So, are you using any social media?
Not really.
No Instagram.
Nope. My husband, he takes pictures of everything, but I do not need to take pictures. So I became so lazy.
No, it's very good habit actually. Not like not taking the pictures and not using Instagram and all.
Yeah.
It's really good habit because you
Yeah,
can give time to other things and you can be more happier.
I think so too.
Yeah, it's very good. So you're not using Facebook?
No. Facebook,
Nothing.
yeah. Facebook, so many in America, it became a problem.
Mm-hmm.
So many people on Facebook are arguing about
Oh,
politics and religion and yeah.
oh yeah,
So,
it's too bad actually.
yes,
Hmm.
America, we like to yell at each other.
Yeah, it's very bad actually. It's
Yeah.
making a lot of problems and
Yes.
racism and everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I think things need to become very bad
Mm-hmm.
that then it will become better.
Yeah, yeah, that's the good idea.
So soon it should become better, I
Yeah.
think.
So,
Well,
so
awesome.
what are you writing over there? I think after every sentence you are saying something.
I'm writing notes about you.
Oh, really? But
Yes.
why?
So next time I meet with you, I can remember everything. Maybe
Okay, I'll
maybe
talk
we
to
will
you
meet
again.
next
Okay.
yeah, maybe we'll meet next month, so I need to remember.
Oh, that's really nice. I like your habit,
Oh,
and I'll surely meet you again. And
wonderful.
Yeah. Okay then.
Have a good
Uh,
weekend.